Hi, my dear kids.
Welcome to Easy Learn Funny Learn.
In this video, we are going to see about SOF NSO shelter chapter.
Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.
My dear kids, can we start? Which of these is a kind of houses? A. Kacha house. B. Tent. C. Caravan. D. All of these. People make different kind of houses depending on their climatic conditions, their lifestyle and their financial condition. Poor people make kacha houses while rich people make paka houses. Similarly, nomads, they are moving from place to place, so they make tents or caravan. So, which of these is a kind of houses? So, all of these are a kind of houses. So, the answer is option D. Second one, houses that are made of bricks and cement are called dash houses. A kacha, B slanting, C pakka, D caravan. The houses that are built using bricks and cements are called Pakka houses. They are strong and permanent houses. Third one. Study the following pictures. A. Apartment. B. Tent. C. Caravan. D. Houseboat. So B is a cave. Which among these houses are used by early man? So early man uses caves because those times no technology was there. So they live in caves to protect themselves from weather and wild animals. So the early man used cave, option B. Fourth, in places of heavy rainfall, what kind of houses are built? A. Tents. B. Caravan. C. Marquise. D. Slanting roof. So slanting roof means the roof which has slanting, so the water or snows that won't stay in. So the places of heavy rainfall or heavy snowfall, they build slanting roof houses. So option D is the correct answer. Fifth one. Select the odd one out. A. Villa. B. Mansion. C. Bungalows. D. Tents. So the odd one out. Villa, mansion, bungalows are permanent houses. Tent. Tent, tent is a temporary house. They are used by nomads or the people who are moving from place to place. So the odd one out is option D, tent. In remote areas, houses are made of A. Bricks and cement. B. Bamboo and wood. C. Charcoal and mortar. D. Cloth and ropes. In remote areas and mountain regions, houses are simply made of readily available materials like wood, bamboo, etc. In remote areas, material like wood, bamboo, etc. are easily available. And also such houses are called kacha houses. So in remote areas, houses are made of bamboo and wood. Seventh one. Our home provides A. Safety. B. Protection from predators. C. Comfort. D. All of these. Shelter provides safety and protection from weather and predators. It also provides comfort. So after tiring everything, after doing all our work, we came to our home and relaxed. So our home, no doubt, it provides safety, protection from predators, comfort. So the correct answer is all of these. Option D. Eighth one. In Gujarat, people decorate their houses with A. Kolam, B. Ganesha, C. Carpets, D. Rangoli. In Gujarat, people decorate their houses with Rangoli. Rangoli is nothing but a design made with different colors. Kolam is prepared by people of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Carpets is mainly used by people of Kashmir. And Ganesh idols are prepared by people of Maharashtra. So in Gujarat, people decorate their houses with Rangoli, that is colorful designs. Ninth, kolam is prepared by using A. Wooden carvings, B. Rice and clay, C. Sesame seeds, D. Mud and water. Kolam is prepared by using rice and red clay. People of Kerala will decorate their houses with kolam designs. 10th, we should contribute in A. Making our rooms dirty, B. Teasing others, C. Cleaning our house, D. Troubling our parents. So, we should contribute in household work. We can help in mopping, cleaning, and keeping our house clean. We should also try to keep our room neat and tidy. So, we should contribute in cleaning our house. So, the correct answer is option C. 10. 11th. Houseboat. Water. Igloo. A. Ice, B. Water, C. Sand, D. Straw. Igloo is built of snow and is found in region of Antarctica. So the answer is igloo, ice. So option A. 12th one. In which state people are immense believer of Lord Ganesha? A. Kashmir, B. Kerala, C. Maharashtra, D. Gujarat. So in Maharashtra, every household installs Ganesha idols made out of mud and painted in watercolors at home. And also people of Maharashtra celebrate the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi with great enthusiasm and zeal. So, the people of Maharashtra are immense believers of Lord Ganesha. So, the correct answer is option C. 13th. The insects that live in our homes are A. Ants, B. Mosquitoes, C. Flies, D. All of these. Ants, mosquitoes, and flies are some of the insects that we can see in our house. They are usually live in mattresses, in the corners of almirah, behind curtains, and under beds. So the correct option is all of these. Option D. How can we keep our house clean? A. By sweeping and mopping. B. By littering waste. C. By ordering others to clean it. D. None of these. We can keep our house clean by sweeping and mopping. So the answer is option A. 15th. A family in which the father, mother, children, uncle, aunt and cousin all stay together is called dash. A. Joint family. B. Nuclear family. C. Happy family. D. None of these. So the family with father, mother, children, uncle, aunt and cousins are called joint family. So the answer is option A. 16th. Dustbin should be kept covered to keep away A. Butterflies, B. Bees, C. Grasshoppers, D. Houseflies. Dustbin should be kept covered to keep away houseflies. So the answer is option D. Houseflies. 17. Bricks are used to build houses because they are A. Hard and strong, B. Made of wood, C. Made of plants, D. Free from germs. Bricks are used to build Pakka houses because they are hard and strong. So they are used to build permanent and strong houses. So the answer is option A. Hard and strong. 18th. Dash should be present sufficiently in a healthy house. A. Clean and fresh air, B. Sunlight, C. Mosquitoes, D. Both A and B. So to in a healthy house and also to stay healthy, the there must be clean and fresh air and sunlight. So the both A and B is the correct answer. Dash can be made using the materials shown here. A. Igloo, B. Houseboat, C. Caravan, D. Pakka house. The material given are bricks and cement. Bricks and cement are used to construct strong and permanent house, that is Pakka house. So the correct option is option D. 20th. Which house is most effective in a place that is very hot and dry? A. A house made up of bricks and mortar. B. A house made up of ice. C. A house made up of clay and thatch or coconut branches. D. All of these. So the house which is most effective in a hot and dry places are a house made up of clay and thatch or coconut branches, because the wall made using thick clay won't allow outside heat to enter into the house and keeps inside cool. So the correct answer is option C. 21. Sunlight keeps the room dry and free from A. Germs, B. Dogs, C. Cats, D. Rats. So the sunlight, which keeps the room dry and free from germs. So the correct option is option A. Germs. 22. Straw, bamboo, leaves and mud are the main components to construct which type of houses? A. Kacha house, B. Tent house, C. Bungalow, D. Skyscrapers. So the house constructed using straw, bamboo, leaves and mud are Kacha house. These houses are not strong. So the correct option is option A, kacha house. D. Concrete is a paste containing A. Cement, sand and crushed rock. B. Cement and crushed rock. C. Cement, sand and water. D. Sand and crushed rock. Concrete is a paste containing cement, sand and crushed rock. So the correct answer is option A. Fourth, we can keep our environment clean by dash. Option A, throwing garbage in water bodies. B, burying non-recyclable material for decaying. C, planting trees. D, burning dried leaves to reduce garbage. So we should not throw garbage in water bodies. Then water animals will get affected. It will affect our environment. And also we should not bury non-recyclable material. It won't allow water to enter into our ground. So it will also spoil our environment. Planting trees. Yeah, definitely we should plant trees to keep our environment clean. Burning dried leaves to reduce garbage. Dried leaves are recyclable. So we don't want to do anything. It will act as a fertilizer or manure for plants. So to reduce pollution and to keep our environment clean, we should plant trees. So option C is the correct answer. 24. At an age of 7 to 8 years, which of these work you can do in your family to help your family members? A. You can cook food for them. B. You can earn money and bring things from the market. C. You can set table for meals. D. You can paint the doors. So at the age of 7 to 8 years, you are still kids. So you should not play with fires. So you should not cook food. And you can't go to any job because education is important. So you must finish your studies. Then you can do business or go to any work to earn money. See, you can set table for meals. Yes, as a kids, you can set tables for meals. You can paint the doors. No, you can't. So the correct option is option C. You can set table for meals. 26. Select the correct match. Please kids see all the pictures. So option A, caravan, but the given image is tent. So it's not a correct match. B, kacha house, but the given image is caravan. So it is also a incorrect match. C, houseboat. Yeah, the given image also houseboat. D, tent, but the given image is kacha house. So the correct match is option C, houseboat. I hope you all understand this shelter chapter.
Please watch my next video for food. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.